The legendary coach, former coach of Highlanders, Ngezi, and other teams in Zimbabwe, also worked with the national side and Ama Juniors. He has been every goalkeepers coach. Cosmas Tano Zulu. The AFCON currently going on in Ivory Coast. We are seeing surprises and shocks. What's your take about the tournament?
Let me tell you, tournaments like Africa, anyway, even World Cup or anything, during the first games, you find big teams actually. Teams actually lose games, but what happens? Teams actually learn a lot of things during the tournament. You're surprised now, teams like Cote d'Ivoire or these other things, nobody thought they could be where they are now. Because as the tournament grows, teams actually improve as they go. But I can tell you, Senegal or DRC Congo, and they can actually win. But the team which will win, there's what you call fundamentals in football, which is the 3 P's: positioning, passing, and pressurizing. Whether you've got the ball or not the ball, if you don't do those things, Mr. Swanda, you lose the game. What I'm saying is, you check, if a guy is on the flanks, and you allow him to put a cross, your chances of winning the games are very slim, because if a cross is getting in that box, you're in trouble. Hence you find even the Women's League, all our in the Women's World Cup, all our teams in Africa, they went away because they couldn't apply the 3 fundamentals: pressing, positioning, and passing.
So what do you think of the Morocco South Africa game?
No, the Moroccan South Africa. If the fundamentals, I tell you, if South Africa doesn't do it, I don't see them winning the game. But let me tell you, I support South Africa. But 99.9% of miracles went away with Jesus Christ. If they win this game, I'll be the first man to congratulate them.
So you believe Senegal is coached by a local boy?
Yes, because like what I'm saying to you, look at it now. 6 white coaches have been fired already in Africa Cup of Nations. It's the administrators in Africa. They don't know the philosophy. Why they're employing a coach? They employ a coach at looking at the certificate. That's not enough, Ezra. You've got to know the philosophy of the coach. Is he a coach with discipline? Is he a coach who's tactical away? Is he a coach who's friendly? Is he a coach who's a welfare coach? There's a difference, You must know the reason. Let me give you an example. You remember when Zambia won the Cup of Nations? Kalusha went there. The coach who made Zambia to qualify, he said, I don't want that coach. People were saying, why? He's changed the coach because he knew that man was not going. And he brought a new coach because he knew exactly the philosophy, the coach who won the Africa Cup. So, it's the administrators, Ezra. They must know what type of a coach. But in Africa here, as long the coach, the white coaches, doesn't know what an African player is before the game, doesn't know that talking to him in English, it goes to his head. You talk to him in his mother language, it goes to his heart. That means the tactics will be accommodated if you talk to an African player in his mother language.